Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram problem. Help us confirm that it's you and your iPhone or any Android phone. If you're using any iPhone or any Android phone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to confirm that it's you trying to log in with your Instagram account, you see any network error. So let's see how can you easily fix all type of errors. Help me to verify yourself on Instagram. So very first thing is that you just have to make sure that you're connected to internet, and after that you have to double check that you're not connected to any VPN. So you have to simply open settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with your VPN, then go back from here and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open App Store here. You have to go for search and search for Instagram, and here you have to make sure that your Instagram app hasn't any pending updates. So if you find any pending updates here, try to update try to update your Instagram app, then go back from here and you have to retry if issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open settings, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data. So you can still try this, and after that your issue must be fixed. Or you can also try to go for settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Instagram app here. You can try to offload your app or also try to delete your app. So after offloading or deleting, you have to reinstall your apps. After reinstallation, your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed, you have to open your browser. You have to simply search for Instagram and you have to try to log in on Instagram web. So simply tap on the first website here, or if it's opening into your app, so you have to delete or uninstall your app first and then log in with your account in your browser. Once you have logged in into your browser, you'll not get the issue again, or after doing that, you have to reinstall your app and you can easily log in with your app in your iPhone or any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.